Hello, and thank you very much for watching our video of this absolutely stunning BMW 420d M Sport Coupe. As you'll see, it's finished in estriol blue with fully refurbished black alloy wheels. It does have the upgraded headlights with headlamp wash, BMW M Performance black kidney grills, front and rear parking sensors. The private plate does stay with the sale of the vehicle. As I said, all the wheels have been refurbished in black, so they're in absolutely perfect condition. As you'll see as I walk around the vehicle, the car's in outstanding condition for its age and mileage, with no visible signs of any damage. High gloss finish all the way around the windows. It looks absolutely stunning from every angle. Towards the rear we have the subtle lip spoiler, LED tail lights, your parking sensors on the lower side of the bumper, really good usable boot with the split folding seats as well, which comes from factory options. Moving down into the driver's side, we'll take a look inside. Black leather throughout the vehicle, all in excellent condition, no signs of damage or any rips or tears. BMW traditional black roof headlining, standard with the M Sport package. This particular one has the professional navigation, so the widescreen sat nav, visible parking sensors, Bluetooth, split screen, cruise control, all the usual. It does have the heated seats, automatic dual zone climate control, sport automatic transmission with the paddle shift, full black panel display, automatic lights and wipers, and electric windows as you'd expect. Finally, moving to the wing mirrors, we've got the BMW M mirror caps to finish off the car nicely. And there we have it, there's our BMW 420d M Sport Coupe. If you'd like any more information, please give us a call or visit the website.